4:20 in the morning. 4:20 in the morning. We are going to get the car and load it up, drive to Cedar Rapids Airport, hop a flight back. Zach Tomatoes. Yeah. Ooh, last night was a little bit rough sleeping. I was always like just paranoid that I was gonna miss my flight the whole time. Because I'm taking one of the other guys to the airport, I was worried that like I was gonna oversleep and miss hit and then make him late, and oh, it was a little bit of a rough night. I finally got to sleep, and next thing you know, the alarm went off. It's like a Segway with training wheels. Here he comes. Couldn't handle a two-wheeler. And just like that, we're in California again. Just got back in. It's time to head into the shop, get on the internet, get this video from yesterday uploaded, and maybe do a little bit of work. That quickly we're back though. Boom! Just finished up the last little bit of business for the day at the old Kinetic Cycles. About to load up all my stuff and head home. This time of year, the name of the game is just moving bags left and right, to and from, in and out. Quick test. Hold on, let me get a bike. Let's do this. Alright, wind test. Alright, official wind test. Let's see. Probably make a wind noise. Let's see how she goes with the dead cat. Riding like the smallest bike ever. Hold on, I gotta shut it off to get up the hill. Alright, so I had to resort to iPhone camera. The problem is, I gotta cover up these little holes, those, with this huge thing, which is cool, but it's like the whole top of the camera. Might be time for some improvements. I cut it in half, and they kind of go on here like two nice little eyebrows. Except the problem is it's gonna completely render the flash unusable. I'm gonna have to eyeball this one because I gotta put the screen down so it doesn't block the wind. See how those little mustaches do down there. Drop her up. Testing that low light on this camera. Not too shabby, pretty good. Probably gonna commute to work with this camera, and I'm gonna see how it works instead of my GoPro. I'm also probably gonna put one of these on the GoPro too. Make it sound super sick. We're gonna try to kill all wind noise possible. Sick gadgets. We need more cool stuff, for sure. I think it's being over and out type thing. As you can see, the The sun's going down. I think it's time to cut this one short.